Hello, my lovelies. Okay, so I'm back, and I know the last time I spoke to you guys probably was about 2 months ago, 3 months ago, in regards to the 30 day success. So that's dead. Did some mailings, got some letters, not really got any letters, mainly return letters because I was using the wrong leads. But I joined this new company, and within 10 days of joining, look what I got. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up for you live, and let's see, and then I could tell you about the company. And it's funny because I was on vacation in Atlanta, enjoying the hot humidity heat. Yeah, right. And my sponsor emailed me and was like, "Hey, did you ever upgrade to the higher level?" And I was like, "Yeah." She was like, "Well, you got someone coming." So the person who's coming to my team, brand new, like I said, I only been in it for 10 days, mailed some letters, and I've been doing online marketing. And the company has a rotator. Like, this is, you can't beat this. There's so much training and everything that you get with this company. It's worth joining. And I'm going to give you the name of the company as well in a minute. Let me just grab it. I'm over here using my phone. I'm trying to be multitask over here at the same time. So the company that I am with is Elite Unlimited Mailing Club. It has different levels. Each level you do get paid. They also give you leads when you first join, print out flyers. They give you so much that as a mailing company and to be joining, it's worth it. Like, it's unbelievable. It's just worth it. Like, you have to join. And like, their top level is, I'm gonna have a link down below, and then you can get full details on it also as well. Oh, got a message coming, sorry. So let's open up Mr. Parker and see how much I got. Now, I do know that he joined at the prestige level. Like I said, there's many different levels to this. So and you get, of course, with this great offer and opportunity. I can't open it fast enough. $300. Can't go wrong. And 3 books of stamps. So guess what? I got more stamps to mail out more letters. What can I say when you get money and stamps? 300 in one day, and it took me, 8 hours to make $178 from work? I think I'll be mailing out more letters. So to join me and say it's rainy minute, I just like the way that sounds. I should have went and got like a whole bunch of ones and then like shot out ones everywhere. But no. Like I said, if you want to join me, get on this team. Like I said, again, it is called and I mean, the cost to join, they have upgraded and changed this recently because we are, it's a brand new company. But again, like I said, what you get from the company, you don't have to do, there's no monthly fees, there's no experience required. I mean, I do this on the weekends when I don't feel like going out or anything. I sit on my floor in the living room, turn on the TV, find something on cable, about 3 or 4 movies on demand, and I label and address and stuff envelopes. Come Saturday, I think the post office hates me because I drop off like 200 letters. But this one came while I was on vacay. I went to my P.O. box and it was in my P.O. box, 2-day express. And Mr. Parker, welcome to the team. I will be reaching out to him later so that I can get, more detail. The company also gives you leads when you first join. Like I said, they give you so much. It's basically like a business in a box. of everything. All you have to do is just stuff your envelopes and get some stamps and mail them out. I mean, they're giving you leads, they're giving you, you know, the higher levels you join are giving you your printed flyers. It's a win-win situation. I am going to go ahead and post after this video. I'm too excited. I can't even think. I'm over here going, No, but I am going to post after this video a full detailed video explaining the whole Elite Unlimited and what's in detail. I hope you watch it. Again, I am going to put my link below if you do want to join, either in this video, and I also put in the other video. Once you see the excitement I have, and like I said again, I just mailed out 10 days ago. I was just in the rotator 10 days ago. So the company is real, because to be honest, I'm glad Jeff joined my team, but I cannot remember if I mailed him a letter or he came through on the company rotator. That's the cool thing about it. When a company has a rotator and it's actually getting leads, and you're seeing these leads come in, or when you're going to promote, I even put this on a couple other affiliate sites that that promote your links for you, and leads been coming in. So I mean, you don't have to do online marketing. You could just strictly just direct mail marketing from home. Don't talk to nobody, don't do any videos. As you can see, I don't do a lot of videos on YouTube. I don't do a lot of Facebook Live, but this stuff is real. So I had to do a live on this one. The money is real. I don't know if I should have smelled it. Who knows? But it's real money. Hundreds. Can't complain when you got bands coming in the mail. It's like a mailbox ATM machine. But again, join me, click the link, subscribe to my channel, because I am going to keep you posted. I do have other direct mail opportunities that I am in, but this one is my number one go-to. So I would tell everyone, get on it. It's early. It just, they've been in business. The person that's running it for 20 plus years. So, they're giving you so much training to do on or off marketing that there's never a dull moment or never a stupid question you can ask. I ask crazy questions all the time, and guess what? They return them. They, answer them for me. They're so attentive to everything that it's just, it amuses and amazes me how much support we have in that group. And even I'm glad I joined under these people, the leaders that I have in the group and the group in general. Everybody is super, super, supportive. I'm too excited. So, what I'm going to be doing tonight, I think I'm going to give me some Jim Boy's tacos. Yeah, I still have time. With some extra cheese on them, because it's Taco Tuesday. And I'm going to be stuffing envelopes. I got more mailings to send out. But again, join me. Hit the link down below. And also, if not, you can always go to my website. It's called... What is my website? Oh, that's a damn shame. No, I'm just kidding. It's getstampmoney.com. And again, I will have the link down below, or the PDF down below, so that, whichever's easier for you to click on. All right. Talk to you later. Bye.